YouTube, it's your boy Parris. I back again with another fucking banger, man. Today we got a good little video for y'all, man. Finna go see if I can smoke a little donkey in Popeyes or some shit. But I'm finna go see what's going on. I'll get to y'all when I get to the spot. Excuse. Y'all have a bathroom? Restroom?
Bathroom is ready.
Huh?
You have bathroom? You need bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, is there?
Oh, I can use it? Oh, thank you. I didn't know. I didn't know what you're saying. Yeah. I ain't never did this shit, y'all. I'm low-key nervous because I hear people. It's a fire alarm here. It's a fire alarm. Should I keep smoking? I hear somebody. I hear somebody. Yeah, we go. Y'all, old school just walking that bitch on me. Oh, he fucked up. Old school just walked in that bitch on me on the set. Old school. He's all, you good? Hell yeah, I good. I walked out that bitch on his ass up. I'm finna fuck it, y'all. We on the hook. We going to another store. Fuck it. I'm on feet too. I'm on feet with it on the set. Hey, y'all. This gonna be the most Hotbox videos in every restaurant on the set. We lit. You feel me? Jeez. But I'm finna go ahead and see if I can head to another little food place. They low-key some ways down, so I'm gonna have to walk. But I'll get to y'all when I get there, y'all. So we just made it to our second location. I'm finna go in here and go use the restroom. Go use the restroom. Oh yeah, they back. We lit. It's like it don't got no lock, so I'm gonna just have to say lock. It don't got no lock. This motherfucker don't got no lock, y'all. I'm just thugging it for real. It's a fire alarm in this bitch too. Check it out. Girl. I'm gonna go see who all working here and see if it's any like dudes right now. I'm still smoking in this bitch. But yeah, it is. But we in that bitch. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna wait till she like come out for she can see me walking in there, for she won't walk in on some cleaning shit. I know what it is. We already smoked in one location, one spot. We got busted by an old nigga, but I could have kept smoking. But yeah, I'm finna walk in right now. Yeah, we in this bitch. We lit now. It's a fire alarm. We lit this bitch, y'all. Fire alarm, fire alarm. We're gonna put the lid on. Y'all, we up that bitch on the set. We go. I just hit the whole fire alarm throughout this whole bitch. Alright, y'all. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna go in the woods. Yeah, I'm gonna chase niggas off property and shit. They probably done called the police. I set they shit off. Damn. This shit look crazy. I set they shit off for sure though. That's a for sure. There's probably squirrels and shit. What the fuck? Look at this, y'all. There's a damn rope hanging. Y'all see this crazy shit? That's that white people shit, dude. Oh yeah, I think this my limit. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and bust one right here. I think this my limit, y'all. Shit look like it. Trees look like it been falling up. Whoa! From the last time I came over here for sure. Oh God. Hella creek trees fell down. Look at that squirrel. Oh my mama, it's hella squirrels on my head. Over my head. This squirrel's jumping tree to tree and shit. But those over there fell. Look at that squirrel. Y'all see that motherfucker? Y'all probably gonna see it, but on God, there's some squirrels. I ain't trying to get attacked. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go ahead and take this paper off though. I even like smoking outside. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna do some crazy shit too. Shit. Cause I know it's 12, like police around this bitch for sure. I'm gonna just walk around and smoke. Shit. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause in my nature right now, I really don't wanna go in the woods right now with all the squirrels and shit. I don't want no squirrel jumping on my damn head. Damn, I really just set to the test off. That was some crazy shit right there, boy. But we finna continue smoking. This gonna be alright. This blue for puff. This blue for puff. I ain't gonna lie. When you walk and smoke, that shit like you get nigga tired. Nigga be wanna find a seat fast. Oh God. We gonna come through here. Gonna fix my wood. But yeah, That was some crazy shit. I did. That was some crazy shit I did. Yeah, I'm just walking around and been smoking, walking around the college. Yeah, that's coming for me. There's a little pie right there for them. There's a skate park and shit over there. Basketball court. There's probably buses in there. So, the lake. Nice little lake. You want to take a hit? You want to hit? Yeah, yeah. You finna go hoop over there? It's a basketball court over there? Oh, bet. It, alright. It is. I forgot it is a court over there, too. Yeah, there's some shots. Some Zaza. Jeez. He said that shit smell good. You know it. You know that. I'm finna see how much white there is on the hill of wood. Or I'm just standing right here. I'll just be standing smoking, dude. Fuck it. Look at this, the lake. Y'all, I'm back there, like, I'm finna get advanced with my videos because I've been bullshitting y'all. I low-key been bullshitting y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, God, I've been bullshitting y'all. But I'm gonna get right for y'all, for sure. The fuck it. Oh, yeah. So I sit there right here. There we go. Right here. We on the flow with it. We on the flow with it, y'all. I'll just let these white folks smell the good. Damn, I see a kid. That's my first. That's a kid too. Oh God, like a little boy. That's my second kid. Like a couple kids. I think these like dorm rooms behind me. He just standing smoking and recording. Damn, what this big ass Christmas tree get right here? That's crazy. That's crazy. Smoking that Zulu. What's up? Those look like bike security. Let me get on. Stand. Yeah. Let me go ahead and get on. Cause I see bike security. And they coming this way. Coming. Fucking me back in the leg. So I done saw bike security. Damn. They got bike security. Security. Alright, y'all. I'm tired from all this damn running. Fuck that. We chilling now. I ain't gonna lie. Too much running. Gonna have a nigga drop. This a big ass tree. I climb that motherfucker and smoke up there. That's what type of nigga I am. I smoke on the tree. Oh shit, squirrel. See, there's too many damn squirrels. Too many squirrels. And he fucking. Hold on, I want to show y'all. This is a little laundry mat. Right? What they say. It's a laundry mat. Oh, they put a lock. Okay. I'm too black for that shit. I'm too black. I'm going to the crib. Y'all will see future videos. I'm finna, watch, I'm finna go crazy for y'all. Cause I've been bullshitting. I'm done bullshit. I'm done bullshit. And it's been getting nice and like hot outside. I can walk and shit. It been getting nice and hot. Oh yeah, we super lit. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the house. We back in the crib, and that's it for today's video. More videos to come soon, so y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And y'all know what it is. Jeez.